cute hairstyle for cute baby. In case you are looking for what to do with your baby's hair, this video is for you. Sit back. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cynthia Omonko, a YouTuber based in Togo. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how I make that amazing hairstyle you guys saw in the beginning of this video. So in case you are interested, please sit back and enjoy this video. As you guys can see, I have already started making this hair. So I washed this hair off comb it, and now is the time for me to start making the hair. I just part the hair into smaller balls and hold it with my rubber band. So guys, I don't want to talk much on this video. I just need to explain what I did. Then I leave you guys to watch and see what I did to achieve that lovely hairstyle. So what I did, after holding the hair with rubber band, after holding the smaller balls with rubber band, I just use crossing method and hold it again with my rubber band. After that, I will put in my extension. The extension I will be using for this hair is Brazilian wool. So I will set in my extension and I braid the hair. After braiding the hair, then I put in my bead, hold it with rubber, trim it, and the hair is done. So in case it is your first time of seeing my face, my name is Cynthia Omonko, a YouTuber based in Togo. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and join this great family. And if you are my returnees, I love you guys so much. Thank you for your support and your love. I really love you guys so much. Thank you. God will bless you. Keep supporting me by sharing my videos, sending it to your family members and friends. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.
I never listen to your cries of pain. You get your loving, I don't care. I'm sometimes foolish and so vain. Oh no, I never told you that I love you, when all you did you took from me. But honey, if you ever leave me, I'll never make it okay. Oh no, oh no. Oh listen to